Huh? Yeah, I posted on YouTube. Take a fly over so we can get a view of what's been happening. So we're not gonna fly directly over the bridge. So here we go. We can see I do have some stuff here. What I've been told is that this is not the actual bridge. This is just the structure that will enable them to build the actual bridge. So this is what we got here. This would be the fourth stage. Let's just call it the fourth stage. Let's just zoom in and see what it looks like. Alright, we don't want to fly over anybody. Let's just come back over here. Alright guys, so we're about 2,700 feet out, and you can see it's actually half of the Demerara River by now. And this is the opening here where this is where ships will be passing temporarily. Let's take a look at this. And this is another work site here. It's Sunday. Today is Sunday, January 7th, and these guys are still working, as you can see. All right, guys, here we go. So this is the platform here. These guys are working here. I don't know what they have all these squares in there. You guys be the judge of that. That's what they're doing on this section here. And yep, well, there goes a boat. What's that? Somebody's passing by. There goes a boat in the water. It's like a yacht, you're right. Alright, let's go over to the east side of the river and see how much work they did over there. This is the east side of the Demerara River, and you guys can see, you're gonna zoom in there a little. They also have some work going on here, guys. It's Sunday, and they've been working. They're working. They are working. We're gonna go all the way to the east side, and in the far right there you can see Princess Hotel. That's Princess Hotel right there. You guys can see it. It's Princess Hotel. Oops. So that's alright, guys, we need to turn back. Let's head back over. And that's the old Demerara Harbour Bridge there to the right, you guys can see. And this is our new bridge right here. Let's take a look on this side here, see what these guys are doing. We got something there. Got some pipes looking kind of deal. You guys could be the judge of that. I don't know what they're doing, but it looks like they're putting those pipes in the ground. It looks to me like pipes, but I don't know. It do looks like some huge pipes they got there. They have a ton more there on the pontoon to install. I don't know. These one here looks like, yeah, they do looks like pipes. But you guys be the judge of that also. I don't know what exactly are those things. Let's come back over. We're still keeping an eye on that battery level. We have 55% because we don't want to have an emergency landing anywhere here. Let's see if we could zoom down and see what the bridge material looks like on the road. What is that? Looks, I don't know if it's concrete, but maybe we could go down a little more just to see a clearer view of that. Oops. I cannot see what that is. We gotta go back up. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in. I'm happy I was able to show you guys a quick shot of the new Demerara Harbour Bridge in progress. And yeah, they're working. It's Sunday today, and these guys are still working. They're putting work in. So looking to see more stuff soon. Yep. All right. So thank you guys for tuning in. Again, my name is Lloyd. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I am out.